I have a nice head shape. Look what a nice circle this is. It's like so... like a question. Sorry, am I behaving weird? I feel like I'm a bit weird. I'm sorry, because I shaved off all my hair. Pretty big deal. It's a pretty big deal, I'm not gonna lie. That being said, fucking in love with this. Not to love. What the hell is there not to love? Anyways, today I'm bleaching my buzz cut. Fresh bleach. Yes! How much do I need? 20 grams? How much do I need? A buzz cut. I'm gonna go 20 grams, 25 grams, just so I don't have to mix it up again. There, 25 grams. You can see it right there. We're going in with 20 volume. What a funny sound. I always like my bleach to be a tiny bit more, God, what is the word when it's more liquidy, viscous? This fascination with words and like, instead of trying to say liquidy, I want to say, I think the word is viscous, but let me see. Viscous or syrupy, but it is, yeah, viscous. The rule of thumb with bleach is typically you can go for 1-to-1 ratio, which is where you put the same weight of bleach in your bowl as you would your developer. But the problem with that is very good if you want more control over your bleach because it's less likely to drip everywhere, but it does become kind of a bit like more textured. It's a thicker consistency. I think I want a thinner one today, so I'm gonna go with 1.5. What the hell is a half of 25? 12.5, so 37.5 grams. 5, 36, 37. Here we have our bleach mixture and a very badly stained from our brush. Sorry guys. Expected better of myself. I really did, but I am one of those people that will stain everything. This is a brand new tank top that I have, and I'm so happy because it's from Zara, and Zara have these like incredibly nice tank tops. I guarantee I want to stain. In fact, I'm gonna change really quick. This is the thickness with 1 to 1.5 ratio, 1 being the bleach, 1.5 being the developer. It is still very thick, but it is like you can still like play with it and mold it. This is my favorite absolute bleach. This is by Schwarzkopf Blondme. I've been using this for years. I have not changed it in many years, and it is the favorite of a lot of hairstylists. So if you can get your hands on this versus something that is of cheaper quality, it's amazing. One really amazing quality that this has is that it is tinted blue. This is to help fight the brassiness that all hair types have, including mine. Obviously, the lighter the hair, the less likely it'll show up. But if you are trying to go from like black to a lighter color, this will help you avoid as much brassiness. You can still expect brassiness. Because it's just me here and because I have to pay for my own supplies, I like to reuse my gloves. I wash them and then I reuse them. So I'm gonna make it real quick. The question for you guys, do you guys prefer this lighting? Or the one that I normally have, which is a tiny bit brighter, quite a bit brighter. It's 2 lights brighter. Nice. Okay, let's bleach our buzz cut. I'm behaving a bit weirdly or erratically. That is because I buzzed my hair today. Actually an hour ago, so I'm still a bit jumpy and jittery and everything. Oh, bleaching a buzz cut is so weird because as I'm doing this, it pulls and propels the hair backwards, and then the minute I slide the brush away, it immediately flings backwards, forwards, spraying bleach everywhere. I should have been timing this actually to see how long it takes me to bleach my hair. So I'm actually very curious to see how long this takes to process. So I'm actually gonna time lapse this and see if we can visually tell how long it's gonna take to get me to as platinum a blonde as possible. I'm not going to foil it or anything. I'm just going to let the oxygen do its thing. Let the oxidative process start. I'm gonna just put a timer on really quickly and we're gonna see how long it takes. Left it on for an hour. Okay. I'm gonna go rinse it off and tone it. Okay, I'm gonna just wash it with the purple shampoo, see where that gets me, and then see if it needs toning. Okay, I'm still in my showering process, which is why I look disgusting. But I just really wanted to show you what purple shampoo does. This is literally nothing but shampoo. You can see my mole right there. That's fun. Now I'm gonna go in with the Fanola No orange mask. I know the no purple mask would be better, but I don't have it. So if it ends up looking a tiny bit blue, I am fine with that. All right, I'm gonna go rinse this off.
You call me on your bad days to make sure I cheer you up, but never on your good days. I wasn't worth that much.
I'm not trying to convince you. I swear I'm not. I'm not. But this feels so nice. Oh my god. I have a bleached buzz cut. I have a bleached buzz cut. I do. I like it so much. I definitely think it is so cool, so unique. Like a buzz cut on its own is already, I think, pretty unique. Anytime I see it on someone, I'm like, you know, it looks good. When you add in other combinations, like really intricate designs, or it's bleached, or it's dyed a funky color, I think it just elevates the look so much because it's like, it's such a little amount of hair, but you can still get so creative with it, and it gives the look such a bold yet minimal appearance. It is... In the end, I didn't decide on toning it. Actually, this is all just purple shampoo and the Fanola blue mask. I'm pretty happy with it. I'll probably will be toning it within a couple days when this kind of fades back to yellow. I do know that it is more blonde than it is white. I'm fine with that. I think it looks cool. It adds color, because I think white would have been a bit too desaturated. So I'm fine with this, but most probably I will be dyeing it. Let me know down in the comments below if I should go pink next, because I am actually like... I hate purple. I hate it. I dislike purple very strongly, but I love lavender. Comment down below which of the colors I should go for, and the one that gets commented the most frequently, I will do next. Now that I have a bleached buzz cut, the world is my oyster and I want to try every single color. All the details of today's video is going to be down in the description box below, although it really was just bleach and developer. I have to sneeze. Give me a sec. Everything is going to be listed down below. Fantastic. Guys, I love you so much. You continue to fuel my creative liberties. You continue to encourage me to do really crazy things to my hair, and for that I am grateful and thankful and happy, and I am expressing my gratitude towards you guys for continuously supporting my ridiculous decisions. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.